Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another unboxing of a Summer Feels magnet that I recently purchased. So I just unboxed one not too long ago. If you want to see the unboxing of the other Summer Feel magnet that I had, I'll put a link down below and go check it out. So this time I purchased another one. So when I got the first one, I really loved it. So I knew I was going to get one or two more. Probably not two. So this is probably the last one that I'm going to get. So it came in this paper bag and a little something over here in this small paper bag. So I got this one in store. We're actually a couple of hours away from a Louis Vuitton store, but I finally was able to go to a store. And if you guys were following my videos, you would know that I have a problem of my reverse monogram pochette métis. During my 1 year wear and tear, you can see all the problems that I found over there. So if you want to see that, I'll also put a link down below for you guys. But stay tuned on my update for that one. I'm still waiting for a response from the SA. So it'll probably be a little while before I could make the video for that one. So I bought this one during the time that I went to the Louis Vuitton store to resolve the issue that I have with my reverse monogram pochette métis. So here it is, and here is the receipt. So here's the proof of purchase. Put that down there. So here is the inside. Since I bought this one, I've been so excited to open it up, but I didn't want to because I wanted to unbox and film the unboxing. So here it is. Let me open that up. So this is so cute, a really tiny pull-out box. Let's open this up, and here it is. Oh, look at that. It is a velvet drawstring bag. The one that I had with the other magnet that I have, it was actually the usual cloth dust bag. It's actually the one that they use for the perfumes, where they put the perfume samples on. So this is really cute. It is made of velvet, so cute. Let me take out the item. Ooh, there it is. Here it is, guys. Let me see what the name of this one is. So the name of this one is the Summer Feel LV Star. So this is the Summer Feel LV Star. It says here, Louis Vuitton, Paris, made in Italy. Not sure if you guys can really see it clearly, but it says in there, made in Italy. It has actually the same date code as the other one that I have. It's BY1117, and the product code is M67297. Hopefully I read that right. M67297. So that is so cute. Let me try it on with the jacket that I'm wearing right now. Ooh, that is so cute. I actually love that. I love this one because it is pink, so you can use this one with your Damier Azur bags. That is really cute. So in my first Louis Vuitton bag magnet unboxing, I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, Pamela Ames actually requested if I could show these magnets in some of the Louis Vuitton pieces that I have. So stay tuned, guys, and I'm gonna be making another video showcasing the magnets in some of the Louis Vuitton pieces that I own. So that is it for my unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye! I am sorry, guys, I forgot to show you what was inside this tiny paper bag. There's actually nothing important, but I just wanted to show you that the person that helped me out when I bought this one was so nice, and he actually gave me a couple of the perfume samples. I asked him if I could get the Contre Moi samples, so he did. The Milfew, since I have that, and also the Rose Divin, since I have that as well, so I can get a really tiny sample so I can just bring it around with me if I want to freshen up and spray again. I don't need to bring the bigger bottles that I have in case I have a small bag with me. So yeah, that was it, guys. That was what is inside this paper bag. I will see you on my next video. Bye.